Hi, I'm Brandy, this is Hound Dog Hollow, and today I'm going to be unboxing my Midnight Muses box for November 2019. Comes in a mailer. I tried to loosen the box up before filming, and I completely destroyed it, but I have yet to check out the contents, so let's check it out. Celestial Dreams. Go back to that. Amethyst. Beautiful. Let's see if I can open this one without trashing it. Close enough. Be in service. Beautiful. Beautiful. Ooh, it smells so good. Oh, it smells so good. Oh, it's so pretty. It's got beautiful little flowers in here. Flying Bomb. Okay, hold on. Very cool. And a very lovely flower petal bag. Love it. I'm filming. Hold on.
My dad got to rip again.
I know. Daddy's cleaning the gutters, and my son is just.
I need more toys.
Hold on. All right, let's check this out while I still have the time. I'm sorry if this is a little rushed, but I've got a wild 4-year-old. Oh. Oh. Got some little amethyst pieces here. I love these little pine cones. So pretty. Okay, we've got a lovely Midnight Muses Celestial Dream candle. Wonderful. I love these little jars are one of my favorite things. Dream Blend, casting salts, incense blend. So cool. Ooh, pretty. Trivet. Lord, my kid. Dreamwalker oil. MidnightMuses. Yummy. Jasmine Pearl. Rolled green tea scented with jasmine pearls. Okay. Oh, I love it. Another coin. Very cool. So, let's read this thing really quick. All that we see or seem is but a dream within a dream. Learning to utilize lucid dreaming into our practice can greatly enhance our magic as well as assist in the actualization of a spell or ritual. Lucid dreaming may enable the practitioner to enter altered states of consciousness and access other realities. The celestial bodies, such as the moon... I'm reading! Go away now or you're not going to get anything. Wait! Okay. He's recovering from a 14-hour flight. So, let's see. The celestial bodies such as the moon and the sun are said to affect the content and quality of dreams. For example, 5 days before the full moon, dreams are said to be more vivid and gradually reach complete lucidity as the moon becomes full. The dream world is part of the astral plane and is not limited by linear time, so your spirit can experience things that happened years ago or that have not yet happened. Also, because your conscious mind is relaxed, all of your filters are down while you're dreaming, which makes it easier for spirit beings to contact and communicate with you. So, we've got meditation incense sticks, casting salts, Dreamwalker ritual oil, which is coconut, bergamot, jasmine, lavender, tonka bean, cypress, and cedarwood, and almond and vitamin E oil. Celestial Dreams candle, the incense holder, the loose incense blend, we've got lavender flower blend, astrology coin, raw cathedral amethyst, witch's flying balm. Apply to the temple's third eye and the bottom of your feet right before going to bed. It's brewed under a full moon and contains coconut oil, organic beeswax, essential oils, and an herbal infusion of lavender, yarrow, mugwort, chamomile, dittany of creek, and bay leaf to promote vivid, lucid dreaming and astral projection. Jasmine pearl tea, intuitively drawn oracle card, and an amethyst. This is from the Nature's Whispers. Very cool. Love it a lot. As you know, dreaming is one of my favorite types of magic, and I have been having intense, vivid dreams for like a month and a half. It's almost exhausting. I'm going to cut this short. You guys know I love Midnight Muses. It's an excellent deal at $29 a month. Very nice. I love the theme. I love the smell. I love the content. Everything's very pretty and whimsical. My husband is leaf blowing. Apparently his decompressing after a long flight is to leaf blow the roof. And my son is knocking the door down to get more toys to play with. Because, you know, we didn't take very many toys with us at all to China. And surprisingly, he didn't actually pick up very many there. So, I love the box. I'm looking forward to hearing what you guys think about it. As always, like, comment, and subscribe. Love you guys. See you soon.